So this part is amazingly easy. I never did this stuff until a couple years ago. And also I'm using the cutting oil. It's a good idea to have that. Otherwise you can, I think you can use regular oil. Check with somebody on that or the web. But I'm basically doing it like every second one. So all I'm doing is, it's, again, this has a reverse on it, a button. So I'm going into forward. That's all that's to it. Reverse it. Bring her back out. I can get a little better angle on the next one. Again, 2 or 3 of them with the oil. And then add another little dab. So that's the last one on this side. So I'm just going to spin it around. And then just continue on the other side. Actually, this is a good time too to point out why the hole pattern is so critical. Because I'm coming through here right now. If that bolt was just somewhere else and I hit it, that would probably break the bit. I'm going to guess it's a $30 bit. But nothing will collide if the hole pattern is adhered to. And that's the last one. So now all of the holes are also threaded. And basically the unit itself is done.